Apple Clips tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an animation effect on your photo and how to record without holding down the record button the entire time. So as you can see here, I have a photo, and before I start recording, I'm going to zoom in by pinching. And then to change the record button, I'm going to tap on it and drag it to the center left, and you'll see it change into the shape of a square. Once it does that, I'm able to release the record button and still record. So I'm going to show you how that looks now. In 1986, President Ronald Reagan signed legislation making Martin Luther King Jr. Day a federal holiday. So as you could see, while I was recording, I zoomed out so that you could see the entire photo along with the text. The text I applied before I did the recording, but I didn't have to hold down that record button the entire time. And now if I tap on the clip in the timeline, we can press play and watch how that animation looks and listen to the recording. In 1986, President Ronald Reagan signed legislation making Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So you can see the animation effect, and that gives some additional visual appeal to my Clips projects. I hope it's something that you will try, and having the ability to not have to hold down that record button is also very helpful. So I hope you continue to be creative with Apple Clips, and thank you so much for watching.